Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1954 Smith-Corona Skyriter vintage ultra portable typewriter. It's considered ultra portable because it's super compact and small. It's got this top lid here that goes on top, snaps in, so you can carry it around. Let's do a little measurement. Altogether it's about 12 by 11 by 3. Very small, about as small as you can get them. In good functioning condition, very well designed and produced, made in America back when all the good stuff was made in the USA. Up top are the margins, and you just push them down on the end and move them like this. I'm just going to set this one all the way on the edge, and this one around 80, about the length of a page. And this is the paper support arm that flips out from the back. And this is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got a scale on it. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line, space, return, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip this switch forward. Skips 2. We're going to keep that on single for now, and I was able to type all the keys on the keyboard in one line because this has Elite typeface, which prints 12 characters per inch, which is a bit smaller than the average Pica, which prints 10 characters per inch. So you can get more words on a page with this. So on this next line, I'm going to type a sentence. Beautiful typing machine, very smooth, and the print looks really good. Highly recommended if you need something small, very light, but also made out of all metal. Very well, like I said, well produced. This isn't a cheap typewriter, it's just small. So the technology was actually really hard to get this right, to be so small and so powerful. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip it back and it unlocks the rollers. Underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier, load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. We're going to put this back down. Got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the top right works good. And if you need to type, most typewriters traditionally don't have a 1 key, so you need to type just the lowercase l for the 1. And for the exclamation point, you do an apostrophe, which is shift 8, backspace, and then do period, and that's your exclamation point. I'll show you that real quick. So lowercase l would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on the next line, well, I'll just do it on that line, 5, and then exclamation point, which would be that, backspace, period. So if you look at the 1, it looks like a 1. This is a lowercase l, exclamation point looks good. So that's how you do that on a traditional typewriter. Open the hood, all the brand new ribbons loaded on this left side, so it's pulling clockwise to the right. If you want to switch a direction, there's a lever on the right here. Flip that up and it will pull counterclockwise to the left. We're going to keep that pulling to the right. Touch control on the top left here from low to high. The farther down you go, the more tension there is when you hit the keys. You do have to hit them harder for them to print, but they respond faster. I like it on low, so I'm going to keep that on low. Carriage release only on the right side, very smooth. This is a nice, well-functioning typewriter. And there is a lever somewhere. I think this is to lock it. There's a lever underneath the knob there. If you push it up, it disables the spacing when you turn the knob, so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You flip that down and you get the clicks. And I believe this lever here is to lock the carriage. So when you have it in the case, I'm not sure exactly how that works, but when you have it in the case, it will protect the carriage escapement, which is the mechanism that allows the carriage to move 1 space at a time. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.